In this video, we are going to show you how to open a social trading account and link your account with the provider. First of all, click on the social trading option from the side menu. You will see an option to create a new social trading account here. Enter any nickname you like, and click on the button. Your social trading account is now created. You will see your account ID and password here. Let's log into your social trading account using the details you just created. Click on the login option from the side menu. Enter your details and log in. After login, you will see a user dashboard with all the options. To join as a subscriber, please click on the social trading providers option from the side menu. Here, you can see the list of all the providers. You can see John McCain has 13.49% gain, and Monica has 82.31% gain. Now click on any provider profile to open more details. Here we can check their joining date, rating, and other valuable options. If the details about provider make sense, and you want to invest under that provider, just click the Invest button. Once you click the Invest button, it will open your account. Now click on the New Subscription button. Select your account from here. Select your provider, which is John McCain in this case. Then click Create. Another page will open after you link your account with new provider. Here you will see an option called Subscription Strategy. In this option, you can manage your risk ratio. Here you can set maximum loss on your investments. Let's say, you invest $500, and you can afford $50 as loss. Put $50 here. Now your account will be automatically disconnected from current provider if there is $50 loss. Save this option. Now click on the Risk Management option. Here you can set total loss level, floating loss level and total profit. After you have made all the changes you wish, click the Activate button. Now your account will start copying all the positions from Master Trader. Click the Activate button. Congratulations, your account is now linked with Master Trader. Now click on My Portfolio. On this page, you will see your account is active under New Master Trader. Here you can see your activity summary, profit summary and performance fees, which is 15%. Congratulations, your account is now properly linked with the provider. Thank you very much for watching the video. Promax. It's all about you.